Just search Power BI download in Google. You'll be having an option like the first link, download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official Microsoft site. Just click on that. So you'll be having this page. This is the certified page, I mean the Microsoft page. Do not look for any other website because you'll be getting into trouble. Otherwise, like, it's better to download from the Microsoft official website itself. So once you click on that link, it will be having an option to select your language. You can choose different language based on requirement, but for now I'm just selecting English. Then click on download. So once you click on download, it will be showing a couple of pop-ups, like, I mean, options: Power BI Desktop Setup.exe, as well as Power BI Desktop Setup x64 exe. This is for 32 byte, and this is for 64 byte. It's based on your I mean laptop. So to check that, you can just search for about your PC session on your laptop or desktop. Just go to the system type. So here you can see that it's 64 bit. So I can just go ahead with the second one and click on the download. So once I click on download, it will start downloading the file. And once it's done, just go to your downloads folder, click on the application, and it will show some basic pop-ups, like just agreeing the terms, and click on next button and click on finish button. These are very basic one. So once you download that, you'll be having your Power BI desktop on your uh, I mean Power BI application, desktop application on your desktop.